Vamos a enfocar.
हाँ नागेश
सर चुकून झालंय.
okay. Okay, open assignment booklet. Yesterday we have completed problem number 7.1.5. Now today we are having two lectures because tomorrow I am not going to take your lecture, so that I have decided that I will take two lectures today. And For that purpose, I came to the college. Otherwise, I might not came to the college today. Okay, so 2 lectures are there, and within these 2 lectures, we have required to complete minimum 8 to 9 problems of work energy principles. So I can think more than 12, 13 problems we have completed up till now. You can check it. Up till now, we have completed 5 problems. 5 plus today's problem, if I completed 9. So it is 14 problems we have completed related to the work energy principle. Okay. So again, if time permits us, then definitely we will solve remaining problems of work energy principle also. The deadline is still 20th is the last deadline for us, but we may going to extend this deadline up to a 25th syllabus completion deadline. Okay. Anybody is having any question, any issues related to the engineering mechanics, so that we will start new numerical. Okay, only 38 students joined for this session. Still, we will wait for another 1 to 2 minutes. Meanwhile, if anyone wanted to make a discussion about engineering mechanics, they can. This forum is open for a discussion. Please, if anyone is having any question related to engineering mechanics or anything related to a syllabus, आप मेरे को पूछ सकते हैं. क्योंकि अभी क्या हुआ है कि मैं कॉलेज पे आया हूँ लेकिन लाइट नहीं है. हार्डली 36% battery left from of my laptop. So within half an hour, if light comes, then definitely we'll continue lecture. Otherwise, it is not possible to us to continue this lecture today. Okay, friend. Now, those who have joined for this session, please read the next problem. Problem number 7.1.6, 150 page number, 150 page number, 7.1.6. 7.1.6. Read the problem and try to draw the diagram, because yesterday I observed that on a PowerPoint presentation you might not have understood. आपको शायद आंसर्स और वो सॉल्यूशन मेथड समझ में नहीं आई होगी. The reason I will tell that कि already everything I have drawn, मैंने पहले ही complete करके रखा था उधर, तो इसलिए आपको वो ड्रॉ करते वक्त जो मैं बताता हूँ वो शायद आपको बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट को समझा नहीं होगा. इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि आई विल कम टुडे फॉर दिस लेक्चर हियर एंड आई विल कंटिन्यू ऑन बोर्ड. ओके, सो किसी को पावर पॉइंट से भी समझ में आता होगा कि बहुत सारे ऐसे फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स है, लेकिन बहुत सारे ऐसे भी स्टूडेंट्स है उनको पावर पॉइंट से कुछ समझ में नहीं आया है. Okay, so today we'll solve maximum problems and we will try to complete syllabus of work energy principle today. But if light permits us to take a lecture, then and then it is possible. Otherwise, it is not possible. Okay, now take the next problem. A body weighing 300 Newton, is pushed up at a 30-degree inclined plane. Only 45 students join. Let it be. We will take afterwards. Attendance we will take today, and that attendance will be a final. Those are present today only. For them only, I am going to give the answer. I am going to give the ISC marks. Okay, after few times I am going to take attendance. Okay, so body weighing 300 Newton is pushed up at 30-degree plane by 400 Newton force. It is a pushed up, not is pulled up. It is a pushed up. Remember that. Acting parallel to the plane. If the initial velocity of the body is 1.5 meter per second and coefficient of friction is mu, this is 7.1.7 question. Still we have not completed 7.1.6 question. That we will complete first, and afterwards we will go to the 7.1.7 question. Okay, so read the 7.1.6 question. A vehicle, wagon is nothing but it is a vehicle weighing 600 kilonewton. 600 kilonewton. Wagon means a big vehicle weighing 600 Okay, we'll start again. There is any internet issue, no? Okay, no problem. We will continue. Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see here the question number 7.1.6. The wagon weighing 600 kilonewtons starts from rest, runs 30 meters down a plane. A wagon weighing 600 kilonewtons starts from rest, runs 30 meters down a plane. 30 मीटर जो है वो डाउन द प्लेन मूव हो रही है. Having a slope 1 in 100, 1:100 means tan theta is equal to 1/100, and strikes a bumper spring which compresses 10 mm per 250 kilonewton. So the coefficient of stiffness is a 250 divided by 10, so kilonewton per mm. So we have required to convert it into meter because the 30 meter distance they have given. So it should be either in meter or either in mm. All distances should be either in meter or either in mm. So 10 mm per 250 kilonewton. So 250 divided by 10. It is in mm. So 10 raised to minus 3 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 3. So that we have required to consider. So what is the value which we are going to get? It is point, I think so it is a 0.0225. Okay, so kilonewton per meter. Determine how much this spring will be compressed if rolling resistance of the trunk is 50 Newton per 10 kilonewton. So here rolling resistance is nothing but it is frictional resistance or frictional force. Rolling resistance is nothing but frictional force. Clear? So frictional resistance. So again we have required to draw the diagram of this. Yesterday similar type अपने problem we have solved. हमने कल भी ऐसा एक similar type अपने problem solve किया था. Okay, so I will draw this diagram here. 30-degree slope is there. Here bumper spring is kept here in this way. A wagon okay. Now the weight of this wagon is how much? 600 kilonewton. And this distance is 30 meters. And they are asked to find out to us this S distance. Am I right or wrong? 30 meter distance, and they are asked to find out this. So sorry, this is not a 30 degree. Yeah? It is 1 and 100. So it is tan theta is equal to 1 in 100. So theta is you have required to calculate. Okay. Now the given things just will write. K they have given 250 kilonewton is there, divided by 10 mm. So we have required to convert it into the meter. 10 raised to minus 3 mm to Meter, if I wanted to convert, it is a 10 raised to minus 3. This is the K. And what they have given, rolling resistance means frictional force they have given. Fr is equal to, Fr they have given, how they have given? 5 Newton per kilonewton, no? 50 Newton per 10 kilonewton. 50 Newton per 10 kilonewton. So total weight is how much? 600 kilonewton. So for 600 kilonewton, how much is the frictional force? You are required to calculate. You are required to do this calculation. Okay. So find out this now. Theta is how much? Find out theta. Find out theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon 100. Theta is equal to tan inverse 1 upon 100. I think so it is 0.78. No, yesterday we have seen it.
Zero point 0.57 sir.
0.57. Okay. Okay. 0.57. How much is the K? Value of K? $2.5, no? Yeah, 25.
2.5.
2.5 kilonewton per meter. Remember this. 10 raised to minus 3 ह्यातनं एक वजा केलं. 10 raised to minus 2, 10 raised to minus 1, 2 मधनं दोन deduct होते. These two values we have required to deduct. So 2.5 kilonewton per meter. Now find out this value. 50 न्यूटन को 50 को 10 तो 100 को कितना? वो हम पिक्चर में नहीं रहा, 100 का 2, 100 का 2, उस टाइप का ये है कैलकुलेशन. 50 को 10 किलोन्यूटन को 50 न्यूटन, तो 600 किलोन्यूटन को फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स कितना? So do the cross calculation. 600 into 550. 600. We'll write here. 600 into 50 is equal to 10 into FR. So 600 into 50 divided by. Calculate it now.
3000.
3,000.
Language. Okay. So FR is how much? 3,000.
3000.
3,000 Newton. So it is 3 kilonewton. Am I right or wrong? Because the weight they have given 600 kilonewton. Weight they have given 600 kilonewton. Weight they have given 600 kilonewton. So all the terms should be in kilonewtons here. Frictional force should be in kilonewton. K value should be also in kilonewton. Am I right or wrong? 2.5 kilonewton, 3 kilonewton. Okay. Clear this? Any doubt, any question up till now? In given figure, any doubt? And they are asked to find out ES value. Huh? Now, how to solve this problem? It is very simple. Initial velocity is 0. Final velocity we are required to find out. Now, the final velocity is initial velocity for this. Final velocity is initial velocity of this, and final velocity for this segment is 0. ह्या सेगमेंटला फायनल व्हेलॉसिटी 0 असणार आहे. हा सेगमेंट जर कन्सिडर केला तर ह्याची फायनल व्हेलॉसिटी ही ह्याची इनिशियल व्हेलॉसिटी असणार आहे. ह्याची फायनल व्हेलॉसिटी ही ह्याची इनिशियल व्हेलॉसिटी असणार आहे. Am I right? Any doubt? Now I will draw the FBD of this so that there will not be a confusion. FBD weight should be in a downward direction. It is say 600. Then 600 cos 89 I will directly write, and 600 sin 89, and this is the frictional force should be in opposite to the motion. So frictional force Frictional force is opposite to the motion. So this is Fr, and Fr already we have found out it is a 3 kilonewton. Clear? So draw these diagrams. FBD. Just we are considering, or I will write here, this is the AB segment. For AB segment, this is a, for AB segment, this is a FBD. For AB segment, this is a FBD. So complete it, whatever I have wrote on a board, please complete it first, then afterwards we will start to solve the remaining problem, because the remaining portion is very simple. FBD of AB segment. FBD of AB segment. So complete it. Once you complete, you tell me. I will complete remaining portion.
हॅलो सर.
बोला की.
सर ते क्वेश्चन मध्ये ना बंपर स्प्रिंग विच कॉम्प्रेसेस 10 mm पर 250 किलो न्यूटन आहे, त्याचा रेशो असा, मग आपण उलटा घेतोय.
त्यांनी काय सांगितलंय, केचं युनिट चेक करा. केचं युनिट हे न्यूटन पर मीटर असते. व्हॉट इज द के? यू कॅन चेक इट. फोर्स इज इक्वल टू के इंटू एस. के इज इक्वल टू एफ अपॉन एस. एफचं युनिट काय? न्यूटन. एसचं युनिट काय? मीटर. Am I right? Are you understanding or not? So they have said that it is bumper is compressed 10 mm for 250 kilonewton. 250 के लिए 10 mm compress होता है. Am I right? So that we are required to do in this way. K is nothing but 250 divided by 10 according to this. K is equal to 250. This is a force divided by 10, and it is in mm, so that we are required to convert it into a meter, into 10 raised to minus 3, and after simplification that we will get 2.5 kilonewton per meter.
ओके.
सर तो F चा फॉर्म्युला 1/2 KS असतो ना?
नहीं. Work done by spring is equal to 1/2 KS square असते. This is the work done. This is the force, spring force.
हाँ, ओके सर.
Okay. Anyone is having any question again? Diagram completed? Everything which I have wrote on a board, please complete it. Now we have to apply the work energy principle for this. For AB segment, we have required to apply work energy principle. AB segment means for this body, or I will erase this. For AB segment, I have to apply work energy principle. Initial velocity is 0, final velocity we don't know. There are only two forces along the plane. You can check it, Fr and 600 cos 89 point something. So I have kept only 89, but it is 89 point something value is there. So I will write principle. So 600 cos 89 minus 3, or I will multiply by s, and this distance is, I know that it is 30 meter. Force into displacement minus Fr. Fr is how much? 3 into 30. Negative sign because it is an opposite to the motion. ये इधर आ रहा है, फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स उधर जा रहा है. So 3 into 30, force into displacement. Displacement is 30 meter is equal to 1/2 m. Mass is how much? 600 divided by 9.81. It is a mass, not a weight. Into phi square minus 1/2 mu square. Mu square, initial velocity is a 0. Mu square, initial velocity is a 0. So in this complete equation, velocity is only unknown. Velocity is the only unknown. Find out the velocity of AB segment. Find out the velocity of AB segment. Now find out the velocity. Pranali, rule number 5, you should require to tell the answer of this.
Two point 70.
2.70.
2.7.
Okay, 2.7. Okay.
2.71.
Okay, 2.7 I will write.
हाँ सर आले 2.70.
Okay, 2.7 meter per second I will write now. Now this is related to the AB segment, but we have to find out for BC segment. ABC. So AB we have completed. Now just we have required to think about a BC segment. Now here I have to draw the FBD. So I will draw the FBD. I will erase this portion. I will draw the FBD here. So same diagram, nothing is going to change. Frictional force is in opposite direction, so Fr is equal to 3. W, or I will write direct 600 cos 89. That component I will not mention. And the resistance force generated by spring, this is spring force, Fs, spring force. This is the FBD of BC. FBD of BC. For this segment, additional one force is going to exert here due to the spring. Am I right or wrong? वो spring ऐसा नहीं बोलेगा कि आप आओ compress करो, ऐसा नहीं. It is going to resist to the 600 kilonewton body, so that I have just wrote 3 forces here. One is Fs, spring force, 600 cos 89, and Fr is equal to 3. This is for a BC segment. BC segment FBD. Now you tell me that how I can apply the work energy principle in that case. They have asked to find out, yes, I know the initial velocity. See here, this final velocity is nothing but initial velocity for BC. I'll write here initial velocity for BC, and this is the final velocity of AB. UBC is equal to VAB. Am I right? So again, I will write work energy principle here. So again, 600 cos 89. Displacement I don't know. This yes displacement we have required to find out. Okay. Then minus 3 into S minus Fs. And I know that work done by spring is 1/2 K S square is equal to Ks square. Work done by a spring is 1/2 Ks square is equal to change in kinetic energy 1/2 mv square. This is 0. When it will reach to the C segment, BC segment लिया है तो final velocity 0 रहेगी. So 1/2 mv square minus 1/2 mu square. Clear? So I will erase this, or I will write here 1/2 mu square. Initial velocity you know that, mass you know that, K value you know that. In this complete equation, only S is the unknown. So find out the S. So find out the S value.
हॅलो सर.
हा.
सर ती पहिलं ए बी आहे का नाही त्याच्यात अलॉंग द प्लेन घेतल्यावर 600 कॉस 89 ती मायनस साइन कॉन्व्हेन्शनला जाणार ना सर? मग
नाही ना, बघा ना तुम्ही, ही बॉडी हिकडल्या दिशेने चालली आहे बरोबर, आणि हे 600 कॉस 89 चे सिम्बॉल बघा की, डायरेक्शन बघा की, अलॉंग द मोशन आहे ना, अलॉंग द डायरेक्शन ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट आहे. बघा ना इथं ॲरो चेक करा, ॲरो, आणि ह्याचा ॲरो चेक करा. ह्याचा ॲरो अपोजिट टू द मोशन आहे, ह्याचा ॲरो टुवर्ड्स द मोशन आहे. टुवर्ड्स द मोशन असेल, व्हॉट इज द वर्क डन? पॉझिटिव्ह वर्क डन कुणाला म्हणायचं? इफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑकर अलॉंग दी अप्लाइड फोर्स, अलॉंग दी अप्लाइड फोर्स. फोर्स ज्या दिशेने आहे त्या दिशेने डिस्प्लेसमेंट होत असेल तर पॉझिटिव्ह. फोर्स ज्या दिशेने अप्लाय केलाय आणि डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपोजिट दिशेने होत असेल तर इट इज निगेटिव्ह. सो यू कॅन चेक इट. FR is moving in opposite direction. Here also you can check it. Spring force is opposite to the motion. फोर्स अप्लाय केलाय आपण इकडं, पण स्प्रिंग हा रिझल्टंट फोर्स अप्लाय करतो, रिव्हर्स फोर्स अप्लाय करतोय. आर यू अंडरस्टँडिंग? फोर्स इज अप्लाइड रिव्हर्स, सो दॅट Fs should be negative. Spring force should be negative. Understood?
येस सर.
Okay. Now, in this, is it feasible everything on board? Feasible आहे का सगळ्यांनी? Okay. This equation is visible for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you find out yes? Okay. So find out the yes value from this. So I want to find out. I will erase this portion now. Find out the yes value from this equation. So in this way, we have completed this numerical now. So the equation is going to come in terms of an ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. There are having two values of an ax. If value x came negative, that is not correct value. Positive value of x we are required to consider. Ax square or as square plus bs plus c. Such types of an algebraic equation is going to come there. And that algebraic equations we are required to solve with the help of a calculator. Roll number 51, Viraj Kodi. Viraj,
Yes, sir.
have you completed?
Hi, sir. 2 minutes, sir.
Oh, yes. Now tell me the value of Chetan, roll number 37, value of yes. Nagesh,
17.05 आली सर.
किती आली?
17.05.
17.05.
8.44 सर.
हा 8.44 वाले यायला पाहिजे होतं जाऊन. क्रॉस चेक कर बरं कुठे चुकलंय. The value should require to come 8 point something. The value should require to come 8 point something. Now still electricity is not came today. Again I will wait. I am waiting for that. मैं उसका wait ही कर रहा हूँ लेकिन बैटरी मेरे लैपटॉप की खाली 10% रह गई है. So what we'll do here, we'll stop here for today's lecture. And ये light came on Telegram. I will put the message. Okay. So at that time what you do, you join the session afterwards. आप लंच वगैरह करके ले लीजिएगा ताकि लंच ब्रेक शायद लाइट अभी शायद एक हाफ एन आवर में आ गई और लाइट नहीं आ गई तो आज का लेक्चर मैं ले भी नहीं सकूंगा. So up to 12:45 if light comes then I will put the message on a Telegram, then you are required to join. So you put the notification of Telegram on notification of telegram for e-division, that notification you are required to put it on, so that what will happen once I have put the message, I will wait for 5 to 10 minutes and we will start the lecture. But if light not came, then definitely this lecture we have required to do, means we have required to skip. Again, I have required to come tomorrow for this lecture. So let it be, we will check it. We will hope for the best. इस क्वेश्चन में किसी का आंसर नहीं आया तो मेरे को बता दीजिए. स्टिल वी आर हैविंग अ टाइम ऑफ 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes. साकिब,
नहीं सर मैं
सॉल्व किया क्या क्वेश्चन? आंसर आ गया क्या?
हाँ सर.
ओके. देन ऋतुजा, रोल नंबर 13.
Hello, sir.
Have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The answer is what?
8 point.
Okay. Okay, correct. 8 point something should be the value. Saurabh? Saurabh?
Yes, sir.
What is the value?
Yes, sir.
कितने है value कितने?
8.4.
Okay, okay. Have you got the answer or?
8.4.
Okay, okay, no problem. Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
What is the value?
8.44.
Okay, no problem. Okay, Somnath Shinde?
Ali sir, 8.44.
Okay, okay. So we'll stop here for this lecture. If light came, then definitely I will give a message on a Telegram. Okay, thank you.